You must be familiar with this. Yes, you guessed it correct. It's the QR code. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code generator using Python. Before starting to the coding part, let's first learn more about QR code. Hey Siri, tell me something about QR code.
QR code was first designed in 1994 for the automotive industry in Japan. QR code is used to direct the user to a specific website. QR code is also used to store personal information.
Thanks Siri. Guys, now we know what is QR code, when it was built, etc. etc. Now let's dive into the coding part. First we'll install the prerequisites. Guys, open your terminal and type pip install below space QR code and press enter. It will take few seconds to install Pillow and QR code library. Meanwhile, you can subscribe our channel and like the video. We have now successfully installed Pillow and QR code library. Now let's write the code. Terminal and type nano QR code underscore generator .py. This line will create a Python file named QR code underscore generator.py and press enter. Now we will import the required libraries. Type from pil import image comma image draw and press enter. Next we will import the QR code library. Type import QR code. Now we will store the data in a variable. Type data is equal to the website URL. In my case, I will type my website URL, which is gajeshnaik.tech and press enter. Now we will generate the QR code. Type image is equal to QR code dot make in the bracket data and press enter. Next type image dot save in the bracket the file name. I will write the file name as Gajesh Naik tech.png and press enter. Next press Ctrl X and press Y and press enter. Now we will test the file. Type Python QR code underscore generator .py. QR code underscore generator .py is the file name and then press enter. Now we have generated the QR code. Now let's see it. Here's the generated QR code. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.